Okay, let's continue. By the way, there is this is layout. This is index. Oh, right. Sorry for this. This should be layout. So we can say this can be called root layout. Okay, and then we can export it here. Export default, and then I go root layout like that. Now in here, what we can do, we can return, we can say let's return, return what we want to return right here. It is a stack. The stack, this one, right? And it has been imported here. You can also import it manually here. Import stack from expo router, and this should be like this. You can just come here and come right here, and then you can Control S, save the changes, and here I just here come right here. See, this is what we have. We have index that that is the O of everything. Because of Control S, you save the changes, and you can come to this one, and you refresh, and you see there is a house such or directory. So what you can do right here, you can just come here and relearn, because actually we have not run this for some time. Now you can just say relearn it like, or we rebuild it just like this. We say npx, sorry, restart.